Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the battery pack or AA cells so you can isolate power issues. This reveals whether the flashing is battery-related. Once done, power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds to clear temporary faults. Make sure you have a known good USB-C cable and fresh batteries available. These let you test wired versus wireless behavior and determine if the controller or wireless link is at fault. Plug the controller in with a USB-C cable and check for a steady light, because wired power bypasses the wireless radio and often stops flashing. Next, test repairing. Press the console pairing button then the controller pairing button until the LEDs cycle. This rebuilds the wireless link. If the light still flashes, perform a full controller reset by holding Bind menu and the Xbox button for about 10 to 15 seconds to clear firmware glitches and reinitialize hardware. Finally, verify the fix by testing the controller on another console or using a different controller on your console to isolate the faulty device. If wired and reset checks fail, replace the external battery pack or the internal rechargeable battery if you can safely access it. Corrosion or weak cells cause persistent flashing. If the issue remains, contact Xbox support or replace the controller. Troubleshooting tip: keep a log of flashing patterns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.